so I'm going to show you guys how to make probably the easiest wrap skirt ever. All you need is a long piece of fabric, and by long I mean rectangle, long enough to wrap around your body and then some. With the fabric, you're just going to go to the corner and cut 2 small little rectangles, and they should look like this, 2 of them. They need to be enough for you to tie around your waist at least once. When you're done, it should look just like this, just 2 rectangles. With the remaining fabric, you're going to want to test to make sure that you can actually wrap it around your body. What I mean by that, I'm going to show right here. To be able to wrap around your body, yet still revealing a little bit of leg, a little bit of thigh. Once you've gauged that, take your fabric and you're going to basically hem one of the longer parts of the skirt. This is going to be where your waist is. So I just pinned it and I'm going to hem it down. And that is what I'm doing here. Just sewing a straight stitch down. So I have these pom-poms and I just decided to add it to one end of the dress just to give it a little bit of flair. You don't have to do this, but it'll make the skirt look a little bit more cuter. The rectangles, which you cut earlier at the beginning of this tutorial, you're going to take each one and sew it at each end of the skirt. So the right end and the left end, because this is essentially where you tie the skirt. That's it. That's pretty much your wrap skirt. You're good to go. Go outside, be naked, be great.